To disable Talkback in Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, if I don't have it enabled, it's very annoying to record a video with it explaining things. So I'm going to disable it, but quickly before we do this, make sure that if you have Talkback enabled, you need to double press on everything to open it. So for example, now I'm just pressing once on settings. You will need to do it twice on everything. So we need to go to the settings, then we need to scroll all the way down, click on accessibility, this green button right here, and then navigate to Talkback. That way we'll be able to find this switch. Now I'm going to briefly enable it, and to disable it we'll need to double press this this switch right here.
Double tap to activate. Talkback. Talkback on. Turn off Talkback. Turn off Talkback off.
And that's how you can do it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.